Cruising through time, a 1964 Volkswagen Bus, Vanagon awaits. Intro: sun-kissed California, endless waves, and the unmistakable silhouette of a 1964 Volkswagen Bus, Vanagon. This ain't your average ride, friends. This is a portal to freedom, a symphony of chrome and curves ready to whisk you away to sun-drenched adventures. Timeless style. Forget cookie-cutter minivans. This Hardtop Deluxe is a head-turner, its original sealing wax red paint gleaming like a vintage postcard. Peek underneath, and you'll find zero rust, just pure German engineering standing strong. Deluxe details. Step inside and slip into the plush silver-gray seats, enough for 9 to share the good vibes. The deluxe trim whispers of a bygone era, with chrome accents that catch the sunlight and upholstery that feels like a groovy flashback. Driving dreams. But this beauty isn't just for show. This Vanagon dances on the road, nimble and responsive like a friendly beetle. Cruise the coast, wind in your hair, and feel the open road calling your name. More than a vehicle, this isn't just a car, it's a passport to endless possibilities. Imagine hitting the beach with your crew, guitars slung over your shoulders, ready to make memories that last a lifetime. Or picture cruising with the family, laughter echoing through the spacious interior. Own a legend. This 1964 Volkswagen Bus, Vanagon isn't just a vehicle, it's a legend. It's a chance to rewrite history, one sun-drenched mile at a time. So buckle up, crank up the tunes, and let the California sun guide your way. For your chance to own this piece of automotive history, hit the link in the description below. Don't miss out on your chance to ride the wave of nostalgia. Remember, adapt the details to the specific Vanagon you're showcasing. Add a call to action with the seller's information. Inject your own passion for classic cars to make the script come alive. I hope this direct script takes you on a groovy time-traveling adventure,